This video is about adapting hold levels once you have taken a juicy tip. When prices rise, they rarely move in a straight line. There are often corrections before continuing upward. At the start of a trade, once the break level is surpassed, the initial hold level acts as your exit should prices decline instead of moving upward. As the price rises further, there is usually a correction, followed by another move up, which creates a new hold level. When this new hold level is established, you remove the old one and use the new hold level as your updated exit point. As prices continue to rise, more new hold levels will form. Each time a new hold level is formed, replace the old one with the new one, gradually moving your exit point higher, ensuring you're locking in more potential profit while still protecting your position as the trade progresses. Eventually, the last adapted hold level is broken. It is time to exit the trade and hopefully take those profits. Happy trading, everyone.